Gia,
What?
hey, I'm Dad's wash.
Oh. Cool.
I'm done.
You wash this stuff?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Hey,
Hey,
come on.
I want to go.
Allie, come here. Please. You want to go over there? Go over there. Go.
Yeah, come on.
I'm good.
Come on. Let's go.
I'm good.
Mom, I want to go.
Supposed to wash your hands. Way more. People are cheering in the other room, and I don't know why. Did you just listen to it?
Mom, I want to wash. Oh.
Hey guys. Hi. I'm going to go take a shower, so. Yeah. Yeah, I need a shower. Still kind of early, but I want to take a shower. So. I need to draw on this, I feel like drawing on this, like, really bad. Yeah. Itty fishy. And that sailboat. I think it's supposed to be a sailboat. It's supposed to be a, pyramid on water. It looks like a sailboat. Doesn't it? Look at it. It makes sense. So I'm pretty sure. I also need to update my calendar. It is not March 7th anymore. Say goodbye to this thing.